Hello, my dear students. I, Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. Today, I am going to discuss with you on course Environment Studies and Disaster Management on topic Ecosystem and Biomes. So, let's start with ecosystems, and here we cover land ecosystems. Grassland ecosystems under land ecosystems occupy comparatively fewer area, roughly 19% of the Earth's surface. A vital component of land ecosystems, these are nutrients present in soil and area environment, thus the element like phosphates, sulfates, water, carbon dioxides present in soil and in air. Vital components of land ecosystems are producers. They are mainly grasses, has a species of cynodon. Besides them, a few shrubs also contribute some primary productions. Consumers of land ecosystems are categorized as first primary consumers. The herbivores feeding on grasses are grazing animal, has cow, goats, rabbit, etc. Secondary consumers, these are carnivorous feeding on herbivores. These include animal like fox, jackals, snakes, frog, birds. Tertiary consumers, sometimes hawk, vultures feeding on secondary consumers. These occupy tertiary consumers. Decomposers, the microbes active in the decay of dead organic matter of different form are fungi and some bacteria. Here are the pictorial description of grassland ecosystems. Primary consumers, herbivorous; secondary consumers, carnivorous; tertiary consumers, scavengers. Now, forest ecosystems. Forests occupy roughly 40% of the land. The different component of forest ecosystems are as follow: abiotic component and biotic component. Abiotic component, these are organic and inorganic substances present in the soil and atmosphere. In addition to the minerals present in forest, we find the dead organic debris. Moreover, light conditions are different due to complex stratifications in the plants. Biotic components are producers. These are mainly trees that show much species and greater degree of stratifications. Besides tree, there are also present shrubs and ground vegetations. Consumers of forest ecosystems, primary consumers, these are herbivores that include animal feeding on tree leaves, ants, beetles, grasshoppers, etc. Secondary consumers, these are carnivores like snakes, bird, lizard, fox, etc. feeding on herbivores. Tertiary consumers, these are top carnivores like lion, tiger, etc. that eat carnivores of secondary level. In forest ecosystem, decomposers, these are wide variety of microorganisms including fungi, bacteria, and etc. Here are the pictorial description of forest ecosystems, starting from the green plant producers, then mouse, then rabbit, then jackal, lion, and many more. Desert ecosystems. Desert occupies 70% of land. Abiotic component include light temperature minerals in desert ecosystems, and biotic component of desert ecosystems producers. These are shrubs, especially bushes, some grasses, and few trees. Example: cacti, xerophytes. Consumers of desert ecosystems, the most common animals are reptiles and insects. There are some rodent and bird, and above all, sheep of desert, camel feed on tender plants. Decomposers, these are very few, as due to poor vegetations, the amount of dead organic matter is very less. There are some fungi and there are still some fungi and bacteria. Here are the pictorial descriptions of desert ecosystems. We see rodents, lizard, insects, snake, scorpion, hawk, fox, cacti, xerophytes, biomes. Basically, biomes are determined by the precipitations. For forest, more than 75 centimeter rain per year. For grasslands, 30 to 75 centimeter rain per year. For desert, less than 30 centimeter rain per year. Tropical forest, vertical stratifications with tree in canopy blocking light to bottom strata. Here we see vertical trees and the example of tropical dry forest. This is the example of grasslands. Temperate deciduous forest is that kind of forest which is mid latitudes with moderate amount of moisture, distinct vertical strata. Here we see the pics of deciduous forest. Coniferous forest, largest terrestrial biome on Earth. Old growth forest rapidly disappearing. Usually receive lot of moisture, has a rain or snow. This is coniferous forest. Desert, uh, 30 centimeter, less than 30 centimeter rain per year. Plants and animals adapted for water storage and conservation can be either very hot or very cold. Example Antarctica. Here is the pics of desert. Temperate grassland marked by seasonal droughts and fires and grazing by large animals. Rich habitat for the agriculture. Temperate grassland is very rich habitat for agriculture. This is the place where freshwater stream or river merge with oceans. Highly productive biome important for fisheries, often heavily polluted from river inputs. So many fisheries are now lost. So thank you, students. We'll meet you soon.